Okay, this little video will now hopefully demonstrate when you have imported most of your data into the Excel template, you may continue to test participants and how you can add further participants yourself to the Excel template. Okay, so let's have a look at how to do that. So we start by opening our template with all the data in there, and we have the first participant here, and we are at the very top of the data, as you can see. And what we want to do now is that we want to go to the very end of this Excel table to append the new data at the bottom. And in Excel there is a keyboard shortcut to jump to the end of the data selection, and for that you have to first press the End key, and this one is on the normal Windows keyboards where the arrow keys are right to the main keypad. So you first press the End key and not another key, and then you press arrow down, then you go to the very last bit of the data selection. Please, it's important that you do that in the column subject ID, because in other columns you may have breaks in between. So always double check whether you're really at the end by scrolling down a little bit. And as I said, do that in the column subject ID. Okay, so we want to append the new data here. Let's say we have participant 2118. Okay, so now we go into our Explorer window, and where you have your experiment data, you know everything, with a log directory. Okay, so you double click and go into log, and let's say we have participant 2118, which is a new participant. So what you can do is you just drag and drop this one onto the Excel and let go of the click, and then Excel will automatically import just that participant into Excel, and it should look nicely like this. And if not, have a look at the other video how to import data by this file open and then using the more proper import dialog. So as you can see, this is just the data of a single participant. So it's not this huge file like we had last time, and with the current version of the experiment, if everything went alright, in this column H you should be up to 420 trials. These are the main trials participants did. They did 420 trials. Okay, so let's go back to the top of the file. Now what we can do is we can just copy paste all the data, and again there is a shortcut which you can use. You can just use the mouse as well and just try to capture everything like this, and just to the right go a little bit more than those, right click and then copy, or you press on the keyboard Control C or something like that. An alternative is that you go on the first one, you press the Control key and the Shift key, keep them pressed, and now this End key again, and this is now all selected, and now you can copy, Control C, and you go to the other Excel file, and all you have to do is to paste, either Control V, or you just can paste values here. And then you see this is attached. So if you want to do another participant, you just can press again the End key first and arrow down, and you jump to the very bottom. Now when you have added participants and you go to the analysis, you just have to right click somewhere on a pivot table and click refresh, and then the participant will be included here, participant 18 of the of this group. Okay, that's how to add further data to your file if you tested more participants.